Let us speak honestly and calmly, because propaganda survives only where truth is avoided. I want to respond to Fashoda TV. Fashoda TV claimed that the fighting in Jonglei has collapsed IO and White Army propaganda. But what they call propaganda is actually the live reality of civilians who have suffered years of violence, displacement, and marginalization. Before I proceed, I want to tell you that Fashoda is owned by a Sholo community, and with some of Nuer who betray their very own community. First, Fashoda TV, the issue has never been about claiming that SSPDF is weak. The issue has always been about how power is used against whom. A force can be strong, can be strong militarily, and still be wrong morally. Bombing villages, burning markets, attacking civilians does not prove strength. It only proves brutality. Second, blaming politicians abroad and labeling all Nuer civilians or use as misled fighters is a dangerous distortion. Civilians are not combatant. Use defending their communities after repeated attack are not propaganda tools. This narrative is deliberately used to justify collective punishment. Third, for Fashoda TV, if the government of South Sudan is truly confident in its legitimacy and military capacity, why has peace been resisted repeatedly? Why are humanitarian agencies restricted? Why are hospitals and markets bombed? A strong government does not fear dialogue, accountability, or humanitarian access. Fashoda TV speak of defeats and retreat, but avoid the real cause of this war. Civilians killed, home burned, women violated, and communities destroyed. That silence is not journalism, it is selective storytelling. The conflict in Jonglei is not a football match to declare winners and losers. It is a national tragedy, and every attempt to turn civilian suffering into political victory only deepen division. Fashoda TV, history has shown one truth again and again. You cannot bomb your way to unity. You cannot kill your way to peace. And you cannot silence truth forever with propaganda. South Sudan needs justice, accountability, and genuine peace, not media platform that glorify violence while pretending to mourn its consequences.